And I'm Aaliyah, and we're interns at the Environment Learning Center in Vero Beach, Florida. And I'm inviting you to take a closer look. Have you ever seen a nest in the tree or the branches? Today, we're going to talk about the woodpecker and how it differs from the osprey.
The woodpecker does not make a normal stick and twig nest that is woven together. In fact, they make or find holes in trees by digging into the tree known as excavation. It takes about 3 weeks for a mated pair of woodpeckers to build a nest. In comparison, the osprey does make woven nests. In fact, males search for the materials to build their nests. Ospreys will collect sticks, moss, algae, and even trash. They build their nests up to 3 stories tall to protect their young from predators. Do you see that nest? I wonder if an osprey lives there.
Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an osprey nest out of things in your environment. Today, you're going to need some branches, some leaves, some flowers, an embroidery loop, an embroidery string, and some nice wide leaves. Here I have some material that I've collected over time, just some random stuff you can add into your nest. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is separate your inner loop from your outer loop.
Next, you're going to wind your string around the inside hoop, looping it around the hoop to create a crisscross pattern that will serve as the base of your weaving.
Next, take the second thing and wrap it around here.
Start putting your sticks through each of these so that it stays to create a base.
Next, we're going to start intertwining these leaf pieces that we cut up from this big one.
Adding moss also adds definition to the nest.
This is what your nest should look like after you add your leaves into it. Next, we're going to start adding some of my miscellaneous items. After adding our miscellaneous items, our nest starts to take on shape.
You can start to feel it's durable too.
Don't forget to post your finished projects, observations, and photos in the comment section below. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to never harm the animals you're observing. Keep your distance and allow nature to proceed without human intervention.